Welcome to another video in RoboTalker's how-to tutorial series. Let's learn how to set up automatic text message replies for new subscribers and inbound phone calls. For phone calls, we offer a number of options. We've got an option to forward inbound calls to a transfer number, play a recording when a phone call arrives, play a recording and text when a call arrives, forward inbound calls to a transfer number and text, and allow callers to leave a voicemail. For text, we have the option of sending a text if a text arrives from an unknown number, sending a text when a phone call arrives, or sending a text when a specific keyword comes up. Click your keyword in here and simply press enter. The data will then be captured. Just a reminder to click on the question mark arrow to find out more information about our options. Below, you can type in your auto text response to a maximum of 800 characters. Simply type in the box below. We also have an option to view your SMS history and add media at an additional cost. To the right, you can enter pre-captured auto voice responses when calls and texts come in. Simply click the arrow and select your pre-recorded voice response. Then click Save Current Auto Response. Just take a note at the costing below. Lastly, there's an option to send your text from a private number. Select a phone number or transfer number and a group name. Then there's also an option below to not use a private number for text messages. And we have an option to buy extra private phone numbers. All the details and pricings are here. Click below. And that's how to set up automatic text message replies for new subscribers and inbound phone calls. Thank you for watching. For any questions, reach out via the phone number on robotalker.com. We're here to help you succeed.